Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video is sponsored by an American toy seller on Amazon, as they sent me a package where they had asked if I could do a review on a new product for Valentine's Day gifts for kids classrooms that have arrived at the warehouse. So I'm going to share with you guys what the product is exactly, because looking at my phone, guys, sorry. Look, when you are ordering things, you always are wanting to tell people the correct item. So this is the Joy Cover Valentine's Day gift for kids classrooms. It's a 28-piece set for Valentine's Day cards for kids with LED finger lights, glow-in-the-dark toys, Valentine's Day parties, and for school classroom gifts exchange. So the things that are inside of this package is a 28-piece Valentine's Day LED finger light set that are easy to assemble. You can spread the love to all of your friends and family. It is a 28 party pack favor that has an elastic band, an on and off switch, and a long-lasting battery. It also glows in the dark with the clear, cute pattern that has endless fun and great for Valentine's Day classroom parties, as well as light up party favors for kids. So I'm going to go ahead and get to opening like I originally did, and I will show you guys everything that comes in this box. So in this box, it is a Joy Cover Valentine's Day LED finger light set. They are colorful LED finger lights. They create a lively atmosphere, and like I said, it's great for Valentine's Day parties and favors for kids. So you just simply open it up, and I'm going to show you guys everything on the inside. Alright, so it looks like I have some little pieces here. I'm not sure what they're exactly for just yet, but inside of here there are Valentine's Day cards. Happy Valentine's Day to and from. So let's look at the card selection when opening up. Looks like there is a different variety here, like bunny, dinosaur, unicorn, a dog, lion, elephant, and a bear. So these are great cards where you can give these cards to 28 people. So if you have 28 kids in the class, you won't have any left over, but that is a-okay. Then you also have the LED light ring, where it has the part where you can put it through your finger, and then you can easily turn it on. So all you have to do is just take this out, and then the LED lights up, and there is a image that will be on it. Just as simple and plain like this. This looks like this is the bunny, if you guys can't see it. There we go. It looks a little bit better for you guys to see. So each one has different images, and that's just what it is. So I think that you could use the little pieces right here to put on the back of this and then onto the card. So the little bubble piece could be stuck onto the card just like this, and then like I said, to and from are at the bottom already. So I just want to say thank you to the Amazon toy seller who sent me this to give a try and do a review. I think that this is really adorable, and I am going to use these either for my daughter's classroom or my classroom for Valentine's Day, as these are really great. Kids love playing with stuff like this, and they love getting little cards, as well as only paying a certain amount for them at a really great price. So thank you so much, and I hope that you all enjoyed watching, and I hope it gives you guys ideas of things to do and things to buy for your classroom for Valentine's Day or parties in general.